My name is Arman. I am 23 years old in my second year of university. I'm originally from Iran, studying in London, and this is my first archaeological site. This is the first real site I've been to. I'd done some work with Mola in London, but nothing as hands-on as this. No digging like this, it was more commercial stuff. I've been to Portugal a few times. I knew of some Roman presence here, but nothing as exciting as this. The Safara site is glorious. It's been a really cool. The actual work we've been doing has been great. So we've been working as a residential area that we've been working on. Trench 4, we did some work at a Roman fortification. So very exciting stuff. I really didn't think it would be as traditional with the mattocking, with the brushing, with the sweeping, with the sieving, all of that stuff, which I actually really like. It feels really authentic. And I feel like this is grassroots archaeology work. This has been very glorious because it's got me back into it. It's got me interested again in Roman archaeology. So I found it very exciting. I had this expectation that everybody was going to be all these like intimidating, unapproachable academics, but no, it's been very nice with the people here. Mariana's been wonderful helping us. The teamwork part, living with strangers like this, you kind of go from zero. I mean, we met each other at the airport and then came here. It's from 0 to 100. Everyone's really lovely. The locals are really nice here as well. They're very welcoming. I think it's quite lovely to see that people are really interested in their own heritage the way they are. They're really sweet and lovely here. And I think Safara as well, in general, it really surprised me. I've been around Portugal, but nothing like this. It's been very fun.